Hi.
Henry McClure live out at the Big Biscuit. Big Biscuit. Big Biscuit. What's your name again?
My name is Leanne.
Leanne. How long you been here?
About a year.
All right. So she just showed. Come on, give me a tour.
All right.
Did you know that they have a private space that you can? Do you have to pay rent?
Not at all.
Rent free. Check this out. Look at this. Look at this. All right, check it out.
We seat 20 people in here.
Okay, and tell us, like, do you have? How hard is it to get a reservation?
Not at all. We take reservations Monday through Friday. Just give us a call. I'll put it in the calendar.
Okay. Is there a minimum, like amount of people?
Not at all.
Okay, and then you say that this is available to hook up to.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Check it out. Look at that. All right. Henry McClure out at the Big Biscuit. You know, we got the first watch, and that's a new kid in the block. But don't forget, you know, this is good food.
Thank you.
Yeah. Had an omelet like the Popeye, but kind of special. Right across from...
Jeremiah Bullfrog.
and what are your hours?
6:30 to 2:30, Monday through Sunday.
There you go. I don't know who that guy is, but I wanted his glasses. All right, Henry McClure live out at the Big Biscuit. Come on out.